in this industry. So now it comes down to your resume, because if you have 5 years of experience, you have an A+, you have a network plus, you've done some networking stuff before, you've troubleshot wireless networks, that means you have security experience already. You just have to know how to put it on your resume. So what I do is I tell people how to research the industry in order to know what to say on your resume. You have the experience already. Now it's just a matter of making your resume match your skill set, your cybersecurity skill set, and market yourself as a cybersecurity person. I just break all of it down, like how to do it on Dice, Career Builder, Google Jobs, ZipRecruiter, and it's really the same pattern over and over again. You want to be on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is just a way to network. It's a great way to network to people and find jobs, and jobs actually find you if you fill the thing out correctly. Go to linkedin.com, find Bruce, CISSP, RMF. Here it is, right? You're looking at it on the page right here. Copy what I did. Completely fill out what you have. Put everything on there, right? What happens is once you fill this out, the algorithm in LinkedIn will find jobs for you and send them to you. In addition to that, you can do things like alerts, and you'll start getting notifications on a regular basis for jobs, for cybersecurity jobs. How do you market yourself? Security Control Families is breaking down the best security practices throughout the industry. This is not just for NIST 800, by the way. It's breaking down everything you should have on your resume, because that's the stuff that they're looking for. They want to know if you can do best security practices. You got to let your resume shine, and you got to market yourself.